I want to do a video where I don't have a particular topic. I just want to come out and rant. I usually don't do this. In fact, I never really do, never really give my opinion. But I decided, let's see what happens. Now, let's talk briefly about my YouTube channel, The Money GPS. What I found is that what I do is a lot different than what others do, sort of in the same financial realm in the alternative media. But essentially what I've tried to do is take the information that's available and really condense it down to its absolute bare minimum so that people can watch the channel, they can view maybe a 10-minute video, and they just got hours-long research condensed down into this short period of time. And I hope that you see that's what I'm trying to do, is simply take a whole bunch of data, connect all these dots together, and present it to you in a very simple video. Now, I might not be the most elegant or most creative, or my videos don't have all that bells and whistles that others do, but hopefully the information is what you're coming here for, and you see that with the channel. Now, one of the other things that's really connected in with this is the amount of subscribers. You'll notice that the channel, of course, has done well, but there are a lot of other channels which, I don't want to name any names, of course, but the actual amount of information that you receive from a particular video is very low on many of these channels, when I feel like we should be giving the maximum amount of information. Less opinionated information, if that's what you want to call it, less opinion, more information, let's say that. But I just don't find that, and that's why the alternative media is seen as being so weak, is because of this. So I want to be here to strengthen that. There are many good YouTube channels out there. There are many good websites out there, in fact, that offer their own version of the truth. Everyone has their own opinion, their own biases and everything. So that's really what I want to get to. Now, my concerns for the financial system is also a little bit different than other people's as well. Many people have an idea which is really only, let's say, one step in front of their noses. They don't look 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps down. Why? Because they've never really sat down to think about it. What do you think would happen if there was a financial collapse tomorrow? Have you ever really thought about it? I know you've probably watched a lot of videos about it. Some of you have read books about it. But have you ever sat down in a quiet room by yourself and really thought all of the different possibilities out? I bet many people have not. This is a very good exercise that I recommend everybody do. I've done this countless times. We'll continue to do it into the future. You think, if this is the result, if, for example, the stock market crashes by 5,000 points tomorrow, what would happen? And literally just play out all the different scenarios. And then you think, how does that affect me? This is something that everyone should do, and I believe it is essential for preparation. Many people think, I'm going to get gold, I'm going to get silver, I'm going to get food, and I'm going to get water, and I'm going to be ready. Well, those are very important things, surely. But think about the ripple effect. Are you going to have a job tomorrow? What if you have a job but your neighbors do not? How will that affect everything? What about the prices of food? Are you going to be able to deal with that? Are there going to be any closures in the roads? Are you going to be able to travel out of your state or out of your province? Are you able to travel into different countries? Just anything. I'm just thinking of things right now. But remember the importance of the ripple effect. I like to think of it, and I've mentioned it before, as zooming out. Always try and zoom out and try to analyze what could possibly happen. When you're looking with the blinders on beside your face here, you're not going to be able to see what's going on beside you. But take the blinders off and really open up, zoom out, zoom out. Don't think of the stock markets as where you need to focus on. Don't think of the financial markets as where you have to focus on. Completely remove the blinders, open up to the real world, the real information, and you will see the truth.